Hey, for the very first time ever, the team behind many top video products is bringing to the market a sales script app of a new generation, a total revolution, and complete paradigm shift. The software that's designed to help you sell anything. The idea behind the app is to have a super easy to use sales copy maker with a very minimal learning curve. So pretty much anybody can make a sales script. With Scriptdio, you can generate high-impact sales scripts for your sales videos, explainer videos, social ads videos, and even sales presentations by simply swiping done for you templates and filling in the blanks. And yes, you will be able to sell any product or service for any niche. Plus, all the templates are already done for you, so you do not need any sales script making experience at all. Oh, and I even show you a case study on how you can make as much as $500 per gig on Fiverr and $500 per hour on Upwork for sales copywriting services. Watch the demo now. P.S. If you already own any video creation software or you want to get one, Scriptdio can be just the app you need to create converting sales videos, explainer videos, and even social video ads. Thank you for watching Scriptdio video and subscribe. Like this video, act now from the link in the description. Peace.